Honey, let's go for a trip for our wedding anniversary. Let's go to Hong Kong, Disneyland, which will take us like 9 hours going to Hong Kong from Saipan. Good. This is the 3D of this place. Okay, after this trip, where would you like to go?
London.
We're going to London?
Yeah.
London.
Westminster Abbey.
Westminster Abbey. All right. There it is. Westminster Abbey. What are we gonna see here?
Everything. There's so many things there.
Okay. After here, where do you plan to go?
Lincoln Memorial, Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. Lincoln Memorial. There it is. All right. Right next to it, where are we going?
After Lincoln Memorial?
Yeah.
Let's go to the West Coast to San Francisco, Fisherman's Wharf.
Fisherman's Wharf, San Francisco. There it is. You have any other idea? Where do you want to go and travel?
Okay, go to Siesta Key, Sarasota, Florida.
Okay, Siesta Key, Florida, USA. There it is. Oops. Okay. And we're coming back to Saipan after Siesta Key, right?
Okay.
Hey, that's gonna be our plan for our anniversary. Thank you.